Good morning, guys. My name's Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist and I'm reviewing the Zamat cervical pillow. So Zamat was kind enough to send me this device for review. I do a lot of videos talking about neck problems, neck pain. This is going to be a great one because I've been wanting to get one of these cervical pillows. Let's see what we've got. So first thing we've got is we've got the pillow itself. I'll unwrap that in just a minute. We've got a user's manual. We've got some instructional information, frequently asked questions. And then we've got a guarantee card, 10-year warranty on the device. So let's unpack it. It comes in this Ziploc container. This is the first time I'm opening up the pillow. It's gonna take a little while to kind of fill back in since it's been compressed inside the box. But right away I can tell you the memory foam inside, it's very soft, very compliant. One of the concerns that I usually have with these kinds of pillows is that they're gonna be too rigid or too firm. But this is really, really soft. The casing can be removed. There's a zipper across the top, so I can unzip it, remove the outer covering. And then just so you guys can see, there's a secondary covering on the inside that also can be unzipped and removed. And then we've got the foam interior. So while the two covers, the exterior cover, the interior cover, are machine washable, the pillow itself is not machine washable. But basically what we want to do here, we want to look at the contours of the pillow, and there's a couple different ways you can use it. If I were to spin it around, if I'm laying on my back, the pillow kind of contours around my head, providing a little bit of cervical support at the cervical arch. Like if I was a side sleeper, this little portion comes in, my arm comes underneath, and I can relax my head comfortably here. I can even use this to kind of hold on to. For many of my side sleepers, this is a really preferred position for the cervical spine and thoracic.